Islam and science represent two distinct realms of human inquiry. Islam, as a religion, provides a comprehensive framework for understanding the universe and our place within it. Science seeks to unravel the mysteries of the natural world through observation, experimentation, and rational analysis. While these two domains may appear distinct, they are interconnected and have engaged in a complex interplay throughout history. Islam, since its inception, has emphasized the importance of knowledge. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, encourages observation and reflection upon the natural world. This emphasis on knowledge laid the foundation for a rich scientific tradition within Islamic civilization. Scientific inquiry seeks to establish universal laws that govern the behavior of the physical universe. The relationship between Islam and science has been marked by both periods of fruitful collaboration and moments of tension. By examining the differences and commonalities between these two domains, we can foster a more nuanced understanding of their roles in shaping human civilization. One of the fundamental differences between Islam and science lies in their sources of knowledge. Islam derives its knowledge from divine revelation, as embodied in the Quran. Scientific knowledge is based on empirical evidence. Scientists gather data through observation and experimentation. Many Muslims view science as complementary to divine revelation. Beyond their different sources of knowledge, Islam and science also employ distinct methodologies in their pursuit of understanding. Islamic scholarship traditionally relies heavily on textual analysis and interpretation. The Quran and the Hadith, sayings and actions of Prophet Muhammad, serve as the primary sources of knowledge. Scholars engage in meticulous exegesis, exploring the nuances of language, context, and historical background to derive meaning from these sacred texts. Scientific inquiry, in contrast, is characterized by the scientific method. This systematic approach involves observation, hypothesis formation, experimentation, data analysis, and conclusion drawing. Scientists design experiments to test specific hypotheses. The results of experiments are then analyzed statistically to determine their significance. The emphasis on textual analysis in Islamic scholarship stems from the belief that the Quran and Hadith contain timeless wisdom. The scientific method prioritizes empirical evidence and the testing of hypotheses in the real world. Islam and science also differ in their ontological perspectives, meaning their fundamental assumptions about the nature of reality. Islamic ontology is rooted in the belief in one God, Allah, who is the creator and sustainer of the universe. God is considered to be eternal, omnipotent, and omniscient. The universe, including human beings, is seen as a creation of God and subject to His will. Scientific ontology, on the other hand, tends towards materialism and naturalism. Materialism posits that matter is the fundamental constituent of reality. Naturalism asserts that all phenomena can be explained by natural laws and processes without recourse to supernatural entities or interventions. Scientific inquiry typically focuses on the observable and measurable aspects of the natural world. While science does not explicitly deny the existence of a creator or a spiritual realm, it operates under the assumption that natural phenomena can be understood through natural explanations. These differing ontological perspectives have implications for how Islam and science approach certain questions. Section 5. A Historical Tapestry, from Golden Age Collaboration to Divergence. The historical relationship between Islam and science has seen periods of intense intellectual exchange and collaboration, followed by phases of divergence and conflict. The Islamic Golden Age, from the 8th to the 13th centuries, witnessed a flourishing of scientific inquiry. Muslim scholars made groundbreaking contributions to astronomy, mathematics, medicine, optics, and chemistry. Centers like the House of Wisdom in Baghdad attracted scholars, fostering a vibrant intellectual atmosphere. They translated and preserved ancient texts, advancing mathematics, including algebra. They refined models of the universe through astronomical observations. Physicians like Ibn Sina made significant contributions to medicine. However, from the 12th century, scientific advancement slowed due to political instability and theological debates. Section 6. Faith and Reason. The interplay of belief and evidence. The relationship between faith and reason has been a subject of ongoing discussion and debate within both Islamic and Western intellectual traditions. Islam emphasizes the importance of both faith and reason. Faith in an Islamic context is not merely blind belief, but is rooted in a deep conviction based on evidence and reflection. The Quran encourages Muslims to contemplate the natural world as signs of God's existence and wisdom. Reason, too, plays a crucial role in Islamic thought. Islamic scholars have developed sophisticated theological and philosophical systems that seek to reconcile faith with reason. They argue that true knowledge does not contradict genuine faith. However, tensions can arise when empirical evidence appears to challenge certain religious beliefs or interpretations. Some argue that science deals with the material world, while religion addresses spiritual and ethical concerns, and the two realms should be kept distinct. Section 7. Modern crossroads, conflicts and commonalities in the 21st century. In the 21st century, the relationship between Islam and science continues to be marked by both areas of conflict and opportunities for dialogue and collaboration. Some areas of tension stem from differing interpretations of religious texts, particularly regarding issues such as the age of the earth, evolution, and the origins of life. Literal interpretations of certain verses in the Quran may conflict with scientific theories supported by overwhelming evidence. This has led to debates within the Muslim community about how to reconcile religious beliefs with scientific findings. Another area of contention arises from ethical considerations related to scientific advancements. Bioethics, for instance, presents complex challenges where religious values and scientific progress intersect. Despite these challenges, there are also significant areas of common ground between Islam and science. Both emphasize the importance of education, critical thinking, and the pursuit of knowledge. Section 8. Ethical considerations, shared values, and points of contention. Islam and science, while pursuing different paths, often intersect in the realm of ethics. Ethical considerations are paramount in both Islamic teachings and scientific practices. Islam places a strong emphasis on morality, justice, and the well-being of all creation. Scientific advancements, particularly in fields like biotechnology and artificial intelligence, raise ethical questions that require careful consideration. One shared value is the importance of preserving human life and dignity. Islam prohibits taking innocent life and emphasizes the sanctity of the human soul. Similarly, medical ethics, guided by principles like beneficence and non-maleficence, prioritizes the well-being and autonomy of patients. Another area of convergence is environmental stewardship. Scientific understanding of climate change and environmental degradation reinforces the need for sustainable practices and responsible use of natural resources. Section 9. The quest for dialogue, bridging the divide between Islam and science. Given the complexities and nuances in the relationship between Islam and science, fostering dialogue and understanding is crucial. Open and respectful communication can help bridge divides, dispel misconceptions, and promote collaboration. One approach is to encourage greater scientific literacy within Muslim communities. This involves promoting science education, supporting scientific research, and engaging religious leaders in discussions about science. By fostering a better understanding of scientific principles and methodologies, Muslims can engage with scientific advancements in an informed and discerning manner. Another avenue for dialogue is to highlight the contributions of Muslim scientists throughout history and in the present day. Recognizing the achievements of Muslim scholars not only celebrates their legacy but also challenges stereotypes and promotes cross-cultural understanding. Furthermore, it's essential to engage with diverse perspectives within both the Islamic and scientific communities. By acknowledging these diversities and engaging in constructive dialogue, we can work towards a more nuanced and harmonious relationship between Islam and science. Section 10. Conclusion towards a harmonious coexistence. The relationship between Islam and science is multifaceted and ever-evolving. While historical periods of both collaboration and divergence have shaped this complex interplay, the potential for dialogue, mutual enrichment, and harmonious coexistence remains strong. Recognizing the distinct epistemologies, methodologies, and ontological perspectives of Islam and science is crucial for understanding their respective roles in shaping human understanding. By approaching these differences with respect and open-mindedness, we can foster a more nuanced and informed perspective, promoting scientific literacy within Muslim communities, highlighting the contributions of Muslim scientists, and engaging in constructive dialogue are essential steps in bridging divides and fostering collaboration. By embracing both faith and reason, we can strive towards a future where Islam and science coexist harmoniously, each contributing to the betterment of humanity and our understanding of the universe we inhabit.